Just a quick filming of the parking lot at the Rite Aid in Hermitage, Pennsylvania. It appears that someone has attempted to once again patch the parking lot, this time using large landscaping rocks. Unfortunately, if someone doesn't notice them when they pull in, or it's dark outside, this is clearly not the best solution. You can see that the rocks came from this landscaping area because there's spots in the dirt that look like they were freshly removed. The same spot in the parking lot has been in need of repair for several years. A couple years back they threw some gravel in it. I'm not sure what the plaza's maintenance has in the contracts for the tenants or why they haven't filled it yet. There's a paint store here and a Rite Aid. However, it doesn't seem like anyone's interested in fixing this one particular hole. Other parts of the parking lot are also in ill repair. There are several photos similar to this and much worse in my book, A Ruin in the Rust Belt, which is a photographic journey of this area of western Pennsylvania. I'll put a link to my book in the description below. With all the cleaning everyone is doing today being germ conscious, I just thought I'd show a picture of the keypad. This machine was added to the store probably within the last 18 months. Not exactly certain what it is for. Some people say it's for portable air conditioning unit or air purification. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out the link below for the Ruin in the Rust Belt book.